English listening practice for beginners.
Letters and emails. Panda J UK. Hello. Today, we are learning how to write an email or a letter. An email is a message you send on the computer or on your phone. A letter is a message you write on paper. Emails are fast. Letters are more formal. But they are both similar. They both have 3 parts. First, you say hello. Then, you write your message. Last, you say goodbye. Let's start with the greeting. We write dear. Repeat after me. Dear, 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 dear. Now add the name. Dear Mr. Smith, dear Mr. Smith, dear Mr. Smith, dear Mr. Smith, dear Mr. Smith. If you don't know the name, you can say, Dear Sir or Madam, Dear Sir or Madam, Dear Sir or Madam, Dear Sir or Madam, Dear Sir or Madam. Now the message. This is the body of your email or letter. You can write, I am writing to ask about the job. 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 You can write, I am writing to apply for the course. 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 You can also say, Please find my CV attached. 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 If you have a question, say, Can you tell me more about the course? 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 Now give your contact details. My phone number is 07700 123456. 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 My email is sarah@email.com. 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 Now let's say goodbye. You can write, Yours sincerely. Yours sincerely. Yours sincerely. Yours sincerely. Yours sincerely. You can also write, Kind regards. Kind regards. Kind regards. Kind regards. Kind regards. Then, write your name. Sarah James. Sarah James. Sarah James. Sarah James. Sarah James. Now you know how to write an email or a letter. Say dear, write your message, and say goodbye. Be polite and clear. As homework, write an email for sending your CV to a job post. Great job. Well done.
If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, give us a like and watch the next video for more.
English for fun at Panda J UK.